Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's VST here, Speaks Tech, and today I want to present you guys. You might wonder what am I doing here with this towel and just cleaning up my phone, but guys, today I have a very nice unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Geniune leather cover. Wow, so many words, biggest title ever. Before we're gonna get to the video guys, I just wanna show you how you can subscribe to my channel in case you like my videos. So just take your phone, take your finger, go hit the subscribe button, and then also go on this bell here and press all. So tap on notification bell, press all, and then every time I'm gonna get a new video uploaded, you're gonna be the first one to be notified, hopefully, and you can leave me comments. And guys, without any further ado, I just want to show you the star of today's video. Boom! This is it, guys. The Samsung leather. Wow. Unwanted commercial advertising. I want to present you guys the Samsung Galaxy S10 leather cover that I bought today absolutely unintentionally for the whooping price of 50 leather, which is 25 euros, guys. But yeah, it's expensive, right? But we're gonna get to that one. I want to unbox it, just see the premium materials, hopefully taste it and put it on my phone and let you know how this feeling is to have something really from genuine leather here, right? No offense against animals, whatever. Guys, I just want to also show you something. I've done some searching on the internet, and apparently Android Central also said that this Galaxy Geniune leather is really one of the best choices. So it's actually staff favorite here. Alright, coming straight from Samsung, this kit is made out of real genuine leather that looks as great as it feels. You get excellent protection against drops and falls, but the real draw here is the color selection. Alright, I got really a boring color, but I do like this color, guys. And you can actually buy this baby out of eBay, and prices really are not cheap, guys. So even if you want to buy this from the UK, you have to pay 45 British pounds. The only cheapest option I found was on Amazon in the States, where you pretty much can get to the price that I bought it. And actually, guys, let's just hear. Today this was of course on a discount, and again, I just paid for this just like 25 euros, like $30, but there is even also another price here, and actually I want to see the previous price. Oh, previous price was 74 leather, alright, which already goes, I think, yeah, with 20 less more. And actually, I'm pretty much sure that there is also, guys, another like a third price. Alright, apparently I got this really nice promotion, and the only reason is that people really from these big stores, they just sell these things because, you know, Samsung 10, who uses S10 series, we get newer phones. But okay, not all the YouTubers can afford this, and of course I'm stuck now with the S10, but I do like it plus. Right, guys, let's cut the talking here, let's open this one. But before we open this one, let's just see what we have on the back. It says Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, leather cover, premium genuine leather, perfect fit and soft grip feeling. It is recommended to remove your device cover before using the wireless power share feature. Now, am I gonna like this? We need to test this. I mean, if I have to take the phone out of, you know, this case to charge it, maybe I'm not gonna be a big fan of it. But okay, guys, it's here. So let's try to open it. Okay, wow, okay. I think it's, yeah. In terms of unboxing, I would say rather like, yeah, nice feeling, standard. But we do have something inside, guys. Wow, it's the first time I see something like this. Jesus Christ. It's a very big booklet, actually. Let's see, what do we have here. Use this product with caution. This product can be damaged due to the nature of its material. Of course, it's genuine leather, guys. Right? If the product is exposed to humidity or solvents such as acetone, it may get stained, wrinkled, misshapen. Natural leather may deform when exposed to water. If the product gets wet, wipe it with a dry cloth and dry it, right? Avoid placing the product in hot or humid environments. Sunlight. Be careful not to scratch the product with sharp objects such as nails. Oh my god! When using the product, some customers may experience allergic reactions such as itching, eczema or swelling, and then in the end maybe you're gonna die. No, of course, I'm joking. But guys, hey, this is really a genuine product, and I'm really happy to have this in my hand. It's been a while since I've used really something from genuine leather on my phone. Let's see how this will go, guys. I will first remove that one, right? And now, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. This feels, guys, so soft, by the way. Inside there is also, I think, some very light. Yeah, it is very light. I'm really impressed. Also, from what I see inside, Seems like there is like a microfiber cloth here. I'm really impressed with the quality. And by the way, guys, the buttons that we have here are really made of aluminium. You know, this is really premium. Just by touching those buttons, you can already feel, you know, how premium they are. Very light in the hand, and the feeling here of the skin is absolutely amazing. I mean, you can tell this thing is not cheap. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's perform the surgery. Here we have the patient placed on the table. I will remove the old case. Guys, this case here that I have, you know, I bought the phone with this. This case really came from Basel's, one of the top brands. You know, I like this. But you know, you see how greasy it is all the time. You know, my fingers or my kids touch it. It just gets so greasy. I hate it. So I will remove it, perform the operation on the patient here in front of you. I'm trying to really place it into... Wow, okay, how should I approach this? Let's try doing it that way. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, guys, really. Yeah, you know, yeah, it's not quite often that I'm speechless, but this time I think I am. You know, it feels, again, one of the biggest advantages of the Samsung S10 Plus is that it's so light compared to the phones I've been using, like previously the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is now the phone I'm using as my secondary phone. And I don't really want to go like with a big case, but this one really is perfect. It doesn't add any bulk. It is very, very, very stylish, guys. But okay, let's do now the review. I think we have all the nice cutouts here. What I don't like is that this section here is also left like this. Yeah, you know, but okay, let's say that if the phone falls, yeah, it's gonna just touch some of the edges here, so perhaps that's not a problem. Usually I like my cases to also cover this part here, but okay, we have the headphone jack, the charging port, and the speaker also exposed, which is not that bad. And let me just see here, the way we had it here, you know, it's so you either go with an option like this or this one, but the feeling in the hand is very premium. And the buttons, guys, again, I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, really buttons are made of aluminium and they are very tactile, and you know, the feeling that I have is just like, okay, I don't have any buttons. So if I take my old case here, you know, it's just like rubber, like plastic. This one here feels like an original button, you know, from a phone. So if you look at the phone like this, you just say, guys, I don't really have a case on the phone. It's really amazing, really impressive. Quality is very nice, but then again, one thing to worry, guys, this is genuine leather. And as I read you from the guide, you need to protect it. So it's not very good if you put, you know, some dirt or some water on it. It's also not so good if you leave it in front of the sunlight. So let's see, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go like on a daily usage with this case. Probably if I'm go riding my bike or going to the beach, I'm gonna be taking something like this, which offers really, well, I don't really care about the case here, and protection probably is the same. But this feels very unique and very soft in the hand. Let me just smell it, guys. You know, oh, wow. One of the ways to tell if it's genuine leather is, you know, I'm just doing this, I just smell it. I mean, you can just smell it. It's absolutely original, very nice. Again, all the right cutouts here. I mean, and you know, actually, let's see also this test, guys. When you put the phone like this, right, there is no wobble. And by the way, you can see that kind of like the edges are going. Let me just try to zoom this one. You can see that also the edges are protecting the screen, which is not bad, okay? Because when the phone falls like this, or even if you leave it like this, you're gonna get screen protection somehow, because the phone is going to still not be 100% on its screen, right? So I think screen is really protected. Let's go see the camera. Same story on the camera. It's same story on the camera, guys. You can see it here. I mean, there is a very small indent here. So yeah, absolutely, you get the level of protection that you need. You have the Samsung logo. And now let's do the big test, guys. Can this beauty be charged directly with this case or not? Because if I need to remove it all the time, yeah, that's not gonna be my case. And we're here now testing if the phone is gonna get charged directly via wireless charging. Guys, I'm using here the Huawei Supercharger. By the way, it works just like a charm. So I have it in my hand, I have the phone, it's with the case. Let's try to put it and see what happens. Oh, it works. All right, let's see another thing. I just, you know, if I just press part of the screen, I put the phone, I should be getting fast wireless charging. Let's try to do it again with you. Okay, fast wireless charging. Woo! I mean, we have game, guys. Not a problem at all. I'm not gonna remove it like this. I'm just gonna keep the phone in the case and use it. As I said, guys, really very nice case in your hand. Best quality here. But again, I mean, it's another thing you need to protect. Not sure if you're gonna like this, but if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Subscribe for my channel. And with that said, VST over and bye.